And the question to them was, which of the following statements can you relate with when we refer to flexibility at work? They were allowed to give multiple answers. The top answers here. Number 1, I can get the job done even without being in the office. Okay? Not surprising. Why? Nasanay eh. COVID-19, pwede naman pala. And again, I'm going to remind you, if your company has a policy of going back to the office, your burden is to prove to them why it's amazing to be in the office. And that's not hard. The interaction, the community. I'm not just talking about free food. Right? Pwede rin. I mean, there are Gen Zs who stay in the office until midnight kasi carpeted ang office at may libreng kape. Gets ko naman. But we can go beyond that. Right? The second answer was, I can work on a task at the time when I feel like doing it as long as I finish it on time. So pace. Next one, I can skip some steps if I think it's unnecessary.